Good afternoon, it's Dave at ATI Watch Reviews. Please hit that like button and please smash that subscribe button for more awesome watch content. Little wristwatch check. Got my Saint, the Racer in black on. A beautiful 43mm watch, automatic, nice deployment clasp, sapphire crystal, ceramic bezel, beautiful AR homage. If you know which watch that is, check that dial. It is to die for. But today's video is a little unboxing from a brand that actually did reach out to me, and they have sent this watch to me for free. But this is a first for my channel actually, because it has a special feature and a special bezel that I've never had on my channel before. And this is the WM057 World Time watch. A very interesting case. Wow. Check that. Now this is straight out the box. Have to say, it looks pretty sick. Beautiful bracelet. Not much in the way of micro adjust, but it's got a butterfly clasp. But I did get it on the bracelet. You can get it on a I think it's a leather band. Let's get the stickers off. Now check that with all the stickers off. Wow. I've never had a watch like this on my channel before. And what makes this watch so unusual is that it has it's a true world time. So you can theoretically track the time of, I think, 24 different cities, 24 time zones. Because if you see on the inner ring there, you have probably about 24 cities on that inner ring. And then you have a rotating bezel, or a rotating outer ring, I should say, that you can obviously move around. You can then track the time, basically. And what you do is you move the outer ring. I think you put it to your time zone, the 0, and then you can gauge what time it is in all these other cities, basically. I will show you in depth how to do it on the full review. But have to say, first impressions, it looks really nice. It looks way more than, well, 3/4 of £100, 3/4 of it, way less than 100 quid, is what you can pick this watch up for. The construction, the bracelet seems very nice. They have gone with the polished inner links, which is I like for a bit more pizzazz. Pretty thick links as well. They look at least 3 to 4 mil at least. It is a butterfly clasp, which is not my favourite by any stretch of the imagination. So a little overview. This is the WM057, and WM, according to their old branding, was actually called the Welly Merc, but they've got new branding now. It's just WM watches. This is obviously the world time functionality, fully solid stainless steel construction. It's about 12mm thick by around, I think it's about 41mm on the bezel diameter, with probably just less than 50mm on the lug to lug. I'll have to check all that out on the full review. A beautiful bracelet with the polished inner links. Very thick links. They're at least 3 to 4mm at least. Butterfly clasp. Miyota automatic self-winding movement with an exhibition case back, as you can see, which is what I really like. I don't like just plain stainless steel back case backs. They're just boring. This is really nice. You can see the movement straight through. 10 bar, so 100 meter water resist. That's what many websites are stating. Yep, and it states it on the back of the watch there. 20 mil lug width on the bracelet, but I will check this out. Very mild taper. I think it's only 1 or 2 mil taper there. You're getting the automatic, you're getting the nice bit of water resist, and you have got what looks like a very polished bezel. Beautiful polishing there on the bezel. Very nice. The flanks of the case are actually brushed, but they are chamfered. So everything looks pristine and everything looks expensive. And they do it in a leather band version with gold or rose gold. I'll double check the website which one it is. But it's some type of gold. They do it as an alternative. And that looks thousands and thousands of pounds more than what they're charging for this watch. They're charging a measly, I think it's less than 70 quid plus VAT. So you can probably have it for just over 80 quid. And there's a sale coming up. So absolutely banging prices is the God's honest truth. And it does also have, to top it off, a flat sapphire crystal. Let's quickly get it on my wrist. Wow. It's actually not that heavy. I would say it's medium to light on the weight. It's definitely lighter than that Saint. The Saint that I've just took off there, or the Racer I should say, is about 185 grams. This is lighter definitely. But very nice. The pushers are obviously very big, even though they're not really pushers because you have to turn them. But they do extend the overall width of the watch, obviously. Comfortable, nothing's digging in there. Obviously, when I take a link out, and I'm only going to take one out because I like it loose. With butterfly clasp, sometimes if you have it too tight, something on the butterfly can dig in. But on this one, I'm doing that now. Nothing digs in. Nothing would aggravate me there. The edges of the bracelet feel nice. They don't feel harsh or too sharp. But I'm liking it. What do you think, guys? Like that red little sweeping seconds hand with the London in red. Beautiful. I can't wait to wear this when I'm out and about. Because that dial, I just love it. Oh, they have kept on the dial, if you look there at the writing, they have got the old branding. And it does actually say Welly Merck, World Timer, automatic. But it doesn't detract from anything. I actually really like the branding, the big W with the M inside. That's a really nice logo. If you can see that there, that silver logo. Love the sweeping seconds hand in the red, matching with the London. So very impressed so far. Let's quickly check what's in the box. I think that'll be a tool. Yeah, it is. A link removal tool. User manual. Let me get this on my wrist for a few weeks and I'll get you the full review up. If you want to pick it up, there's going to be an affiliate link down below. I make a tiny bit of commission at no extra cost to you. It's been Dave. Have a great day.